I had a radar hit, and it was swinging. It looked like 30 knots. There was something there. It looked like it didn't look like a bird. It looked like, no kidding, a rock to me. I kid you negative. I have no idea what it was, but basically just heads up, try to stay away from 17,000. Keep your nugget on swivel. I have no idea what it was. I'm going to use my radar to see if I can pick this object up again. I picked it up twice. The first time I picked it up, my radar broke lock, so I thought it was just some kind of bad lock or potential chaff. And I'm going to turn back towards the north just a little bit.
Fuel pickup trail.
Back, I'm going to start coming back towards the west. I think it was 004 for about 20. I've got it again. It's a 17.7. 3 miles off my nose. It's 17.7. I'm flying that way now. I'm going to slow down. I'm not going to get below 300 knots. But back towards you. Dude, I can't tell. Some small, very small black object. I had it at 17.7. It just flew right over me.
Confirm the object appears stationary.
Well, I could tell because it was, I think it's about 30.
You're 80 knots.
Yeah, my radar showed between 30 and 60, so I have no idea what it's actually doing. But it wasn't 17 the first time I saw it. It's 17.7, so it's not falling. I don't think it was a bird.
Better lock in the photo, good.